Hello everyone! My name is Oscar.
My name is Shema.
Today we will make pasteboard card. Are you ready, Shema?
Yay!
Okay, let's go! First, prepare two paper like this. Next, fold the paper half like this. And fold again, make 4 equal parts. And then fold the edge of the paper same like this. So you have to make the same shape of this paper. And then take the two pieces of paper and join together like this. Wow, everyone! Very easy, right? Next time I will teach you another folding paper. Okay, Shema?
Yes!
Okay, see you next time. Bye!